Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have got something super valuable for you. Certified AI Data Security Specialist 2025 program by Proofpoint. If you see this, if you complete this course and complete the examinations which it has, it's non-proctored examination. If you complete the examination and complete the course, you will be awarded with this badge along with a certificate from Proofpoint. What you need to do? You need to complete the registration first by October 31st, 2025. If you click on this enroll now option, you will see that you will have to fill up this form. You have to put your first name, your last name, your business email ID. If you do not have your business email ID, then you can use your college email ID as well. Choose your phone number, your company name, and select the country and submit it. Once you submit it, your data, they will email you with the registration details, with the confirmation that you are now enrolled to this program. You need to complete this program by January 4, 2026. Either you will have opportunity that it depends upon you whether you are going to a live session. The live session will be holding on 4th November, 5th November, and 6th November. 3 different live sessions will be going to hold. First is as like 1 p.m. BST or 9 a.m. BRT. It's like 4, 5, and 6th of November. So why should we go with this certification? So they have mentioned that it's 71% of organization is now using this generative AI in at least one business function. So that means like we must need to know how generative AI is working, as well as we need to know how we are going to comply by the security compliance activities, rules, policies, and etc. So this program will help you learn more about that. So becoming certified is easy. What you need to do, as I just mentioned, you just need to register the course. You have to take the 3 1-hour sessions, either live, either on demand, but you must have to complete on or before 4th January 2026. Secondly, you need to take a short exam. At the end of each examination, you will get a you will get a test to test your knowledge. So you test your knowledge at that. If you pass with a perfect score, to earn your certification. So once you will is earning, like complete all these things, you will be awarded with this badge at your credit wallet. And these things are completely free. These certifications are completely free. And if you see that, yes, you can also see the recorded sessions and all the questions are available under the FAQ section. So please go and check this out. And if you see like some people may need the CPE credits, so here you will getting 3 CPE credits from this course. So you will be getting these things. So this is all you will get this thing, and that's it for the day. And don't forget to register before 31st October to secure your spot. Before you go, can you spend 2 minutes to hit the like button, drop a comment, and help me reach 50 plus likes on this video. Also subscribe if you haven't subscribed for more free certification alerts, career boosting opportunities, and etc. So see you on the next video. Thank you so much for your time.